Hi everybody, it's Mrs. Owens. I wanted to show you what we're doing this week. So if you go to your Google Classroom, this is just an example for 6th period, but 4th period should look the same. The easiest way, and what I like to do, is just go to classwork. And then this week is 5/4, right? Today's May the 4th be with you. So what you're going to do is, one, there's a video. It's an ed puzzle that's to help you just get some practice in. So you'll do that and hit turn in. Okay, there's nothing you really need to do. You don't need to comment or anything. We'll get the answer sent to us. The next thing on here is a practice with an answer key. So you're able to go through it, practice, see if you got the questions right, and then you'll mark as done. Your assignment is just 5 questions on a quizzes. And the exit ticket here is 3 questions. Okay, so really you're getting 8 total questions to be graded this week. Okay, so I'm going to show you an example from the answer key, or from the practice with the answer key. I have mine up here, and we're telling you or asking you to use Nacho Man. So this is Nacho Man, where you have the little triangle. I think I usually do it upside down, but here's Nacho Man. So the dot here, remember, that means multiplication. So basically you're doing 2 times 5. Right, so we know that 2 times 5 is 10. When you're trying to figure out the symbol, cross out what 2 symbols you have. So you have a -2, so I'm going to cross out a negative, and then you have a +5, so I'm going to cross out a positive. So it leaves you with a negative. Our answer is -10. Number 2, it's a multiplication problem again. 3 times 8 is 24. And then we have 2 negatives here, so I'm going to cross out both negatives. That leaves me with a positive. We don't have to write the plus sign. You can write it like this, or you can leave it without. That means the same. All right, with division, it's the same thing, except of course you're dividing. 48 divided by 12 is 4. We have a positive and a negative, so I'm going to cross out a positive and a negative. That leaves me with a negative. And number 4, 16 divided by 8. That leaves you with a 2. We have a -16 and a -8, so I'm going to cross out both negatives. That's a +2. Okay, that's all you're doing this week, just practicing with the multiplication and division and using Nacho Man. Be sure you're doing those quizzes, and that you can do the quizzes as many times as you want until you get a passing grade, or a grade that you're happy with, okay? Have a wonderful week, and please hop on Zoom or email me or text me on Remind if you need some help, okay? Even if it's stuff from other weeks. All right, have a great week.